Hello friends, I'm Sai Nandan Reddy. I'm the founder and director of INITIATIC School. Today, I'm before you to give you a small understanding about the concept wisdom of Pisces. We are in the energies of Pisces. Our sun has entered into the influence of the Pisces zodiacal star. So, I will tell you what is the symbolism of Pisces. Let me show you a symbol. Two fishes. You can see two fishes. One is smaller, this one is smaller, this one is bigger, and these two are connected with a thread. You can see a thread, right? These two fishes are connected with a thread. Now let me explain you what is this all about. The bigger fish is transpersonal self or our inner guru or teacher, and the smallest fish is ourself or the human spark. The human spark within us, which we have been experiencing being in the physical body, starting from being a mineral and then evolving into being a plant and then animal and then human. But then the evolution doesn't stop at the human level, but it goes beyond human to superhuman, etc. But what happened was, the human spark or the human soul, as it was evolving right from the mineral to plant to animal to human, but it was finding difficulty to go beyond a human. As we all can experience, we all are human, but we still have many animalistic and materialistic instincts within us. And to help us go beyond this materialistic, animalistic pulse within us, we have our inner teacher or inner guru, or otherwise called as transpersonal self. Now this transpersonal self or inner teacher is this bigger fish. Now there is a communication between our inner guru and ourself, and this communication needs to be enhanced, strengthened. This communication is only possible when the human spark or the human soul, which we are, when we undergo discipline, purification, striving towards perfection. When we do these three things, when we have discipline, purification, striving towards perfection, we gain communication with our inner guru. Now I will show you explain you these things using charts. As you can see here, this is our mind. This is our mind. We are here at the center of the mind, and this is our inner self or inner guru. This is our inner guru. Now I have shown you a picture of small fish and big fish. Now we can consider we are here, which is we are small fish and this is a big fish. Now the connection between the small fish and big fish, which we have seen in that symbol, there is a thread. Now this is that communication. The dotted line which you can see is a communication. When this communication is intact and is proper, then a person can get solutions to all his problems. And only through this, only through our inner guru or inner teacher, we can go beyond ourselves. That means our consciousness can go beyond our level to the next higher level. So the communication between us and our inner teacher is very important. All the problems of ourselves, of our family, of our group, of our country and humanity can be solved using the solutions which we can get through communication with our inner guru. Now, this inner guru is always ready to communicate with us. He is always trying his level best to communicate with us. But we are busy with all external things, all many other distractions. Through meditation, through service, through purification, we could communicate with our inner guru. Now, if you can see here in this particular chart, you can see the same inner guru here, and you can see the other 4 levels. Now, these are spirit levels. Right now, we are at this level, at the mind level. We can think, we can understand, we do have emotions, we can feel, and we do have physical body. But to go beyond the mind, that means to enter into the intuitional realm or Atmic or monadic or divine realm is the real evolution. Now, this evolution happens when we communicate with our inner guru, because he is the one, he is the door of opportunity. He can give us access to revelations, visions, directions and impressions which we get from the higher 3-4 levels from the spirit dimension. So, during this Pisces period which we are in it, we experience these energies so that we can strengthen our communication with our inner teacher, inner guru, and have a breakthrough in our consciousness. What is the meaning of breakthrough in the consciousness? The meaning is there are many inhibitions, hindrances within us. We want to do something, but then we cannot. We want to say something to someone, but then we cannot. We have many plans, many projects, but we seldom fulfill those plans and projects. Our capabilities are stopped because of our hindrances. So, within us there are many hindrances which needs to be eliminated so that we can break through them and go forward and find our true purpose in life. So, these energies of Pisces which we are experiencing as of now will help us in achieving this. Energies of Pisces is also called as savior energies. They save us from our materialistic, animalistic tendencies. Hence, let us meditate during this period of full moon. We are entering into the period of full moon. The coming 9th of March is a full moon. So let us utilize the 5 full moon days. That means 2 days before full moon, the full moon day, and the 2 days after the full moon period. So this is called as full moon period. So let us meditate and take these energies within us, as these energies, as I have already told you, these are savior energies. They save us. Thank you very much. I am Sai Nandan Reddy. You can contact me for meditations and for more details regarding these energies. We will have a session, full moon session on every full moon day we have, and we have many meditations too. So you can get in contact with me through my phone number 9000527696, or you can even visit my website www.initiaticschool.org. I am also available in YouTube with the name Initiatic School. Thank you very much.